is?
Santa!
Santa's coming. Somebody's coming.
Thank you, Santa! Thank you!
He left you gifts?
Mhm.
More gifts for us.
It says 1, 2. More gifts. Like this. Okay. So open that. Another one. Santa, come here.
He came here?
I'm asleep and Santa gave me presents.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see him.
I know you went to sleep and he came. He gave you gifts. See, he went and now he went outside to go gifts to more kids.
He's Santa sleep and he waking up and he coming.
Oh,
Thank you, Santa.
yay! You want to see what Santa gave you? Okay. Oh my goodness.
Grandma, look, come. Please. Grandma, is Santa asleep? And Santa is coming, look.
Santa coming?
Yeah, look. As Santa's sleeping and he's coming.
When you were sleeping?
Uh-huh.
I didn't see him.
Mine is a Santa Claus.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at her.
It's Aria.
You Santa Claus, Mommy. I'm hold the phone. I want to see you.
Ho, ho, ho. Okay, let Daddy be Santa, okay?
Okay.
You're going to open the gifts? Do you want to see the gifts?
And is that Daddy painted the mustache? Daddy painted the mustache. Now you gotta open lips. I will open this. What's this? This for Mommy and Daddy and for Adia.
Dice que ahí dice
That's what it says? It says,
Santa.
That's for Aria from Santa. Put it in.
yay!
Bubble!
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe it's a box.
Maybe it's a box, yes.
Maybe it's a box.
Maybe it's a
Dad.
box. Open the box.
Maybe it's a box. That's Whoa! Mommy,
Oh, wow!
look, Grandma. Mommy, Santa's sleeping and Santa's coming. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Wow. Mom, look, there's another one over here.
Okay, go get it.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let me read it for you, okay?
And this one is for Grandma's.
Dice to Aria Sofia from Santa.
Yay!
That's for you.
The bubble.
Open.
I popped it. Maybe it's a box.
Maybe surprise.
Uh-huh. Surprise.
Ahí está la bolsa de...
Look,
para-
Mommy. Look.
What is it? What is it? Open it. I need to see it. Break it.
Okay, break it.
You can break it.
Look, Mommy.
Ah,
Shower. Whoa! There's another one here, Mommy.
Is another one? Okay.
Santa's coming, and Santa's put it over here.
Look, this is Merry
And
Christmas, Aria, and there's a gift from Ephraim, Maria, and Daniel. Yes, open. Hey.
Look, your uncle bought that for you. Come on.
Huh?
Your uncle bought that for you. Open. And Daniel and Marie.
Huh? Daniel?
Yeah.
It's the Daniel Tiger. It's a box.
It's a box. You want to open the box? Maybe with Daddy's help.
Grandma, it's a box.
Alright. Give me the box.
The shower, Mommy.
Mm.
Because take a bath with babies. That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Did Santa do a good job?
Just put it over on the present. Look what. Baby.
What is it?
A frozen doll.
Let me see. Can I see? Look, it has Anna, Elsa, and Olaf. You want to open it? Let's open it.
There's another over here. Open it this.
Look. ¿Quién es?
Oh no, Olaf and Elsa.
Yay! You want to take it out? Pull it, pull it. I hold it. You pull it.
Ay, que parece tina.
Yay!
¿Qué le mandó?
Happy snowman.
How many smells like that? Do.
Look.
What it is? It's to Aria Sofia from Santa.
Yay! Bravo.
You.
Open it.
Over the floor.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my money. I break. Mommy, look. Here's more. Grandma. My baby doll, Mommy. Look, I was the doctor.
Really? Let me see. Can I see it? Oh, wow.
The eyes.
Mm.
It's in sleep, Mom.
Next.
Next.
Mommy, my toy on the socks. Maybe socks.
Daddy took his gift already.
Huh. What nighttime?
Yeah, at nighttime. Yeah.
It's a
And
big-
they're pregnant and they're clapping.
Yes. Who was here? Who was here, Aria? Who was here yesterday? Last night.
Valerie, Jennifer, Maya, Steele, and Dia.
Really? And who else? Who goes like this? Woo, woo, woo.
Really?
Ah, Ruli was here too?
Huh?
Oh.
I really picked my toys.
This.
Look, there's another one, Mommy. Look.
Wow, Santa
For
gave you.
Aria Sofia.
Bravo.
Santa give me?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Yes.
it says for Adia Montesinos.
It says for Aria Montesinos.
Let's
Aw.
go over there. That. Maybe it's a box.
Maybe it's a box. Maybe.
Do you want it to be a box?
I'm gonna go hide in the box.
You want to hide in the box?
Mommy, it's a basketball.
think they're bowling pins.
Bowling pins.
Okay.
Grandma, that's Grandma's. Grandma. There's that. There's now. There's Mommy.
Wow.
Wow.
We
Is
have
it
one.
back?
Alan,
Yeah.
look,
That's.
look.
Se acabaron, mami.
They have lights. Mommy, look.
Wow, that's cute. So you can play in the dark.
And they have lights. This one. There's more, Mommy.
How many more are there?
One and two. There's a lot, Mommy.
To Aria Sofia from Santa. Open it.
Oh, wow. It's a supermarket?
It's a
Like a
supermarket.
grocery store?
And there's a grocery store to buy some foods.
Yeah. Oh.
That's the next one. Let me see.
Last one. Last one, Mommy.
The-
Ang galing sa sama na ni Camino Double.
This is for Aria from Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Ari. Thank you, Santa. That's for Santa and Nadia.
Mm-hmm.
Here's Santa.
What, Mommy? What'd you say?
Alice.
You want to sing Con mi burrito sabanero? Canta. Sing.
Play the song.
You want Daddy to put the song?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll put the song and you gotta sing and dance, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I think Santa forgot one more gift. You want to check the tree?
Mhm.
See, maybe Santa gave you another gift?
Check. There's one more. There's one more. Oh my God.
Santa's put it over here and Santa's me as he's coming.
Oh, yeah? Open it.
To Aria Sofia from Santa.
Yay!
Open, Mom.
Open.
That's I make the pizza over there.
And
Maybe
then
it's a treasure chest.
Maybe it's a treasure chest.
Over there. That's for Aria with the sheet off for Santa.
That's what it says? Oh, wow.
I want to keep opening.
Open it.
Santa, give me this one. Mommy, Santa's sleeping and Santa, give me this one.
What is that?
What is it?
It's a My Little Pony.
It's a unicorn doctor? Oh.
Look, Grandma.
Oh.
Look, Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Look, Daddy. It's a doctor.
The doctor? Wow.
There's a medicine over here. This is my Little Pony can drink it.
So Maya and Rolly can drink it?
No, unicorn.
Oh, unicorn.
I'm opening it, Mommy.
Okay.
Open it. Open it, Mommy. Mommy, it has a temperature. Mommy, look at the cream.
Mmm.
And that has a bandage up here and the
Bandage and cream?
and the fever.
Oh.
This part hurts. This part cream. Bad. Good job.
Good job.
Good job, Ringlo.
Okay, you gonna put bandage now?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. You gonna put that one? Okay, fine.
My arms, Iris hurts.
Open it.
Good job, Ringlo. Mommy, the Ringles can stand up. I fixed her.
You fixed her?
And the desert green. Desert!